Hello. Welcome. Today I want to share with you the way in which that I watch movies for free and stream them from my devices. In my last video, I shared with you a list of movies, but I did not share with you how I intended to watch those I had not seen. So today I'm showing you, as you can see on the screen, the way that I watch movies. Any movie, any TV show, from your cell phone, from your laptop, from your desktop, any Android or Windows or Mac device. There are alternatives to this particular one I'm about to go over. So I'm going to cover today a few alternatives that I have found. Stick around.
Not my president! Not my president!
Okay, so I found this article. It shows a lot of alternatives to watch movies for free. I'm going to showcase the differences mainly between TeaTV and Kodi. So I remember Terrarium being a TV app alternative that I could use to watch TV, movies, shows. It says here, as of January 21st, when this article was published, it says that Terrarium is no longer available. Okay, it's been discontinued. It says you can still use Terrarium, but movie and TV show collection would not get updated. Okay, so you'll be able to watch already available content, but I guess it just wouldn't update. So here's a list of TV alternatives. You know, let's cut through the garbage. This is all the same thing. I don't have to read each one of these to show you they're all the same thing. Okay? You want to watch TV, movies, shows, maybe even pay-per-view? There are options here. Showbox, Streamio, TeaTV, MovieBox HD, Playbox HD, Popcorn Time, TV Zion, Cartoon HD, CinemaBox, OneBox HD, Kodi, Megabox HD. That's the list in a nutshell. Although I can say that I do know Kodi is not just a movie streaming app. So let's go over to this tab. Okay, this is the main Kodi.tv website. Real quick, let's read what it says. Kodi is the ultimate entertainment center. Kodi brings your media to life with endless features, a beautiful interface, and ease of use. Okay, so this is not just let's watch free stuff. Okay, this is for anybody to use as a media center. With that, what does that mean? Okay, if you want to run music, movies, TV shows, photos, you can do it all from this one application. So to get to watch TV shows and movies on Kodi is kind of a technical, complicated process. This video, we're not going over that. I used to use Kodi all the time, but it was slower. It took a lot of time. You could spend 30 minutes just looking for a movie that isn't having problems. You know, I didn't like how slow it was to load up Kodi because it's got to load up its entire media center when I only wanted to watch a quick show or a quick movie, you know. I didn't use all of the features that it has available. If you're someone who is wanting to look with movies, TV shows, maybe radio, maybe more music than you've ever heard on terrestrial radio, maybe you're trying to do pay-per-view movies, this may be for you if you want all of that. If you want music, photos to be saved on here, and a quick glance at your pictures, this could be great for you. If you just want movies, okay. This is TeaTV. This is great alternative. I recommend to everybody I know. You download this once. This is TeaTV. When you open it up, After downloading it, this is the first screen that comes on. You can pick your top movies. Up here, which says Discover, it says top movies from last week, probably by popularity. It says top TV shows from last week. Now, I often go here to new HD releases and click more because this is the movies that have finally come on to an HD version of itself, and I like watching movies in HD. Who doesn't, right? If you don't go here and you go to a very new movie, you may be finding that it's not quite HD or what others may call bootleg. I want to show you these tabs over here. TV shows under this tab, movies under this tab. The great thing about this is these tabs up here. You can select by genre. You can also select by the year. I love how it's presented. So this is my option of choice. This is the one I would recommend if you're not looking for a media center that houses your pictures, maybe has more radio options for music. If you need a place to watch those old movies, this would be the place. Okay? This would be the place. I hope you've enjoyed this little quick run through of TeaTV versus Kodi. Please leave a comment if I missed anything. I'm sure there might have been something I didn't go over that you might have wanted to hear about. I'll see you next time.